Here's factory speeds in the Casablanca 4 Season 3. So it's a three-way light. I'll put my camera down so you can see the fan better. With the three-way light. And yeah, start on low. I already did spin down the other video. So now I can be spin down the factory speeds. I have to put it on the charger when I film next. Film factory speeds in my bedroom. So it's about low. Here's medium. Light. So it's these lights, these two lights, all lights. These lights, and these lights. It's kind of cool to have them for a three-way light. They have some more features on it. Yeah, that is it. That is Casablanca 4 Season 3 factory speeds. Oh, do it in reverse too. I always keep forgetting because the dust is everywhere. So I have to show high quickly. Here's low. Medium. Factory medium. Reverse. High will show quickly because I want decibel everywhere. Set it back to forward. That's it. That's the Casablanca 4 Season 3 ceiling fan factory speeds. Thanks for watching.